Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, you will learn the remaining 20 daily use English words with their simple meanings. These easy words will help you improve your English vocabulary and speak English with confidence. So let's get started. Lesson number 4, word number 1, school. It means a place where students learn. For example, my school is near my house. Word number 2, evening. It means the late part of the day before night. For example, we play in the evening. Word number 3, book. It means something you read. For example, this is my English book. Word number 4, food. For it means things that we eat. For example, the food is delicious. Word number 5, help. It means to assist someone. For example, can you help me? Word number 6, smile. It means a happy expression on your face. For example, she has a beautiful smile. Word number 7, love. It means a strong feeling of care. For example, I love my parents. Word number 8, clean. It means nothing are not dirty. For example, keep your room clean. Keep your room clean. Word number 9, beautiful. It means very attractive. For example, the flowers are attractive or the flowers are beautiful. Word number 10, quiet. It means making little or no noise. For example, please be quiet. Word number 11, busy. It means having a lot to do. For example, I am busy today. Word number 12, early. It means before the expected time. For example, I woke up early today or I woke up early in the morning. Word number 13, late. It means after the expected time. For example, he is late for school. Word number 14, always. It means every time. For example, she always smiles. Word number 15, begin. For it means to start something. For example, let's begin the lesson. Word number 16, never. It means not at any time. For example, I never tell a lie. Word number 17, angry. It means feeling mad or upset. For example, he is angry because he lost his phone. Oh. Word number 18, tired. For example, feeling that you need rest or sleep. For example, I am tired after work. Word number 19, healthy. It means in good health. For example, eating fruits keeps you healthy. This is very good. Word number 20. Sick. It means not feeling well or ill. For example, she is sick today. So guys, this was our second part of the basic English vocabulary words. So keep practicing every day because practice makes perfect. So if you have any question, any confusion, so let me know in the comment box. Thank you.